Aaron was complaining. I thought that Aaron was telling me today was their graduation, and after graduation, they wouldn't let him take pictures. I don't know. Eamon's like, yeah, I was all upset because he's like, I got no pictures of my friends. I was like, really? He's like, yeah. I was like, why don't you tell me to stay? He's like, they didn't want to stay. I was like, but it's kind of your date, man. Like, you should have told them that you wanted to stay. No, but it's your son's graduation. Let him stay and take pictures. He's like, yeah, I got no pictures of my friends. He's like, I didn't get a cigar. He's like, it wasn't.
He had a mullet. He was really shaggy and greasy.
I would like to have it.
We were just talking about mom was singing something in Carson about gingerbread houses, and I'm like, yeah, yeah. So remember when your mom got us a broken gingerbread house? So we found a boat in your cabinet and started building a little wooden boat. We didn't even finish the gingerbread house because it was broken. So we were like, oh, let's go find some screwdrivers to make a boat.
Was that the same time when we came over and Jason was over?
No, I think that was the year before.
He's overserved every single year.
That was the year before, because that was when we tried to play the card game.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Emma's.
Carson.
That's the only Carson, right? She's going to Missouri.
I was at my sister's Friday.
Where'd you go to Kentucky?
It was my house, but
Kentucky was my top, but I didn't get it. That's I thought for sure it was Kentucky.
My top is Illinois.
Didn't even apply.
Let's go there. That was with you?
I'm going to live in this.
Did you go camp?
Think about rushing in Iowa. Business rat.
This is fast.
I know it's hard to get in. It's hard to get in as a junior. So I don't really care if any of that. I just want to rush to like.
But the business frats are more, it's not like social frats where it's like if you're social enough, like they'll give you a bit. It's like business frats, you have to go to their events and get certain clothes for what you do. Like what you wear, how you're kind of done.
It's kind of weird to do point days. I have a buddy who goes to ICU and has this frat who swears by it. It's like the only thing that he talks about. Ever. He lives here and he's like, yeah, I think about going back and just clean my apartment throughout the summer. I'm like, why? And he's like, I got a couple buddies down there, I'm like, okay. Alright, dude, you want to live there? Like, there's nothing to do there, but go ahead.
Go ahead.
Stay there all year, I don't care. But he swears by it, but he was saying for ISU, like, your frat, like, it's all about, like, how much they like. I don't think they did it with points or anything, but, like, if your friend is good, you become perfect.
Eventually, I know that's how they are in Iowa. They're social enough.
I'll find out. I'll find out what you guys know for scientific purposes, you know. No, I'm famous.
Has Carson said anything yet?
I'm still thinking. I want to.
Even just like, even if you rush and don't do anything, you're gonna meet.
Exactly.
You'll be fine.
That's why like, I want to.
And especially like, that's the best thing about rush is like you're going out meeting these people, and at the end of the day, if they give you a big, you can say no. And you don't.
Exactly. Let's imagine this for fun.
Yeah. You'd be like, no, like I had my fun. I met you guys.
You know what? I got everyone east side. I might just hang out here. Just no, we don't. Well, yeah, actually, I will say something. Hope the
She was like, Georgie, selfies? No.
You missed it. Probably like 7 drops.
I can hear you. Yeah, later. I have my phone. Ask him why your hair looks so crazy.
I do that shit typically
Oh, yeah. Oh, every library.
I was like, alright. That was one housing option. It was close to all like engineering stuff. I didn't get back. And then I started looking into 6 months. Like all these doors, they were really fun, super social. Like, this was fun. Like everyone said it was super fun. And then the rest of the housing was fun. I got one of the last spots. So I had it mapped out. I had all the doors on the house. My house was 6 choices. And I'm stuck at the furthest door on campus. It is a Genesis. It's next to the 2 like gay halls. It's like close. And like there's between like cultural inclusion. And they don't have air conditioning.
Kind of like Shaggy.
It's fucking about. I think that's It'll be definitely.
They came out great, actually. They taste exactly like the way her family makes it. I don't think so. That sounds like a good punch. After a couple of hours of Thanksgiving, you go and make it. Like if you lean in, I'll probably smack you down and I'm down again. I got him right where it goes. I'll I'm just concerned. It's not that hard. Like, maybe he's not interested, maybe he doesn't really care. He just wants to go out and party and have a good time. He's rushing to go for it.